तो हे गाइस, आई एम अभिमन्यु कदम एंड यू आर वाचिंग boost.ak। तो आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ बड़ा लेके आया हूँ। देखिए, दिस इज द हैरियर।
Tata Motors has been ready for its second inning after the long lull in the Indian market after the Tiago and Nexon success. It is time for more additional fleet. One of these new product is the Tata Harrier SUV. SUV has been built on the Land Rover platform and is a rival of Hyundai Creta. The performance of this car is of international standards. Guys, Tata Harrier is priced between 13.99 to 20.45 lakhs, which is of course a ex-showroom price, and the particular variant, which is XZ Plus, costs 23 lakhs. Now coming towards exterior or looks, it has high hoodline and housing a wide grille with LED daytime running lamps at corner, and the projector headlamps have been positioned just below them. It also comes with large and bold tail lamps with bold elements such as wide claddings.
As in the interior you can see, this car comes with a 8 inches of infotainment system. This is having HD resolutions with 9 speakers powered by JBL, which is also called as Harman. This is automatic climate control AC. The next thing is it comes with 6-speed manual transmission system. So now the best thing about this car I like, which is, you can see, this is the sunroof. You can see how big this sunroof is.
Now talking about the engine, it is powered by 2.0 liter turbo diesel from Fiat that also powers Jeep Compass. The Harrier might come with the 140 bhp setup, making it one of the most powerful machine in the segment. The cabin is also quiet up to 3000 rpm but becomes noisy above 3000 rpm. This car comes with 1956 cc of engine.
Next part is this car comes with a electronic seat adjustable, you can see. This car comes with a large boot space of 425 लीटर। आप देख सकते हैं, कोई भी पीछे आराम से बैठ सकता है। और फिर भी अगर आप और स्पेस बढ़ाना चाहते हो तो यू कैन सी this is the 810 liters of boot space, which is more than enough. 2 लोग आराम से इसमें सो सकते हैं।
Now talking about the mileage of Tata Harrier, it starts at 14.63 kmpl and goes up to 16.35 kmpl. The ARAI claimed mileage of Tata Harrier is 17 kmpl. Coming towards safety, this car has features like dual airbags and airbags with EBD, and the top end variant gets some additional features like electronic stability control, hill assist, brake assist and mitigation control. Now talking about the demerits of Tata Harrier, the infotainment system is laggy and upgrade is needed. There are also little turbo lags on hills. Large ORVMs create dangerous blind spots. No petrol engine, as now the market is shifting towards petrol and hybrid engine, while Tata is yet to introduce one in the Harrier. The fit and finish levels could be better compared to the rivals. But if you want an SUV with road presence, cabin space and practically without breaking the bank, the Tata Harrier is the best choice in rupees 20 lakhs. Moreover, this car gets some best features like electronic stability program, acoustic tuned by JBL, voice recognition and alerts, panoramic sunroof, 6-way power adjustable driver seat with adjustable lumbar support. At last, I would suggest take a test drive and you will get to know more about this machine. Thank you guys, drive slow, drive safe, and if you like the video then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.